He's under crying. Hello? Under is crying. You are crying now. You're not crying. Hello, under is happy. Hey, stop shaking my hand, though. Feel bring you, my Hello, under is happy. My hand, my hand. Sure. You are just laughing. Hmm? You know, when you came back from the matric now, you slept. Now it's time for you to sleep. Now you don't want to sleep. You are busy here making noise. So you're trying to say that you're not sleep. Hmm? Are you trying to tell me that you're not sleep now? Eh? But it's time for you to sleep now. See, is that your ATM card? That ATM card roller. Hmm? Is that your ATM card? ATM card. ATM. ATM card. ATM card. The share. The share. The share. Is that your ATM card? Oh, you're talking to the fans, yeah? Say hello, guys. Hello, guys. Say, guys, subscribe to my daddy's YouTube channel. Hello, Don't Scare Man. Hello, subscribe to my daddy's YouTube channel. Hello, guys, subscribe to my daddy's YouTube channel. Why did you drop it on the floor now? Do you want to stress me? Huh? You want to go down and pick it by yourself, bah? Huh? I'll go and pick the ATM by yourself. Go down. No. You don't want to go down. Huh? Now, if you like, if I give the ATM now, throw it away. I will beat you. Where's the ATM? I can't even find it. See now. Look at where you dropped it. See? See it here. So you're saying, go down and carry it. Huh? Carry it. Use your hand and carry the ATM. I'm not saying you should use your leg. You cannot carry it with your leg, though. Yeah, use your hand and carry it. Where's the ATM? Use your hand and carry it. Don't use your leg. Use your hand and carry it. Mr. Man, use your hand. Good boy. That's my boy. Oh, yeah. You want me to carry you? Okay. Okay. Can I use my son for something? Go and have born your son, they can use the one you bought for something. Not my son, no. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Say hello, guys.
That's it.
Say hello, guys.
That's it.
Hello, guys.
That's it.
You're welcome to my daddy's YouTube channel.
That's it.
Say you're welcome.
Hmm.
Say you're welcome.
Hmm.
Say you're welcome.
Hmm.
Come on, man.
That's it.
Say you're welcome.
That's it.
Cheese.
That's it.
You see, people are here. A lot of people are watching me here. So, oh, now you use your hand and carry the ATM now. When you have your son, you can use it to do whatever you want to do. Not my son. Not my big dough daddy. Not my big boy. Big boy. This is your ATM. I will deposit money there so they can buy something. Hello? Hello, Grandma. Guys, if you're here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hello? Hello, Grandma. The daddy is here and he's trying to... What do you want to do? He's streaming. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, Grandma, he's streaming on YouTube. Yes. Are you streaming? Yeah, he's streaming on YouTube. Yes. He can't stop. Oh, look at him. He's laughing. He's even screaming. Why are you screaming? He's even screaming. Oh. Ondodo is screaming. Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Stop shouting.
That's it.
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 Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Guys, where are you watching us from? Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting, boy? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? God damn. Kun kun kun. Kun kun kun. Kun kun kun. Say hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our video. I'm here with my boy this evening and we're having a chat. He went for a celebration and he came back and he was busy, like busy sleeping. Now it's time for him to sleep. Now he will not sleep. He will not sleep. So he's just playing, shouting. And what's the time now? I think it's about 12 a.m. and he's still awake. Hold on now. Why are you dropping the ATM on the floor now? This ATM is for you. It's your ATM. It's your ATM. Kun kun kun.
Sorry, yeah.
Sorry, yeah. Sorry, yeah. Good boy. I love you, my boy. I love you. Hello? Hello? I love you, my boy. Yeah, my boy is saying sorry. Hello? What's that? Yeah, my boy is saying that he was not feeling fine, so we went to the hospital and then he's back By tomorrow, by God's grace, he's going to round up his treatment, and then yeah, he's going to round up his medication by tomorrow. So no, don't touch that. No, Emmanuel Agbo. No. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's painful. Don't touch it. I say you should don't. It's painful, I know. But don't touch it. And don't worry, by tomorrow they will open it and they will remove the it's painful. It's not painful. You mean this is not painful? Are you sure? It's not painful. But sorry, sorry. Ezekiel Chuku. Sorry, my boy. You know, it happens, but you're gonna be fine, okay? Hi, I am Wendy from Benue State. Oh wow, my dear Wendy, how are you? How you doing? Which part of Benue are you? See, my guy was going to lamb here. Henry Ocha. Henry, how are you? Welcome. Say hello, Henry. Hello, Henry. Say hello. 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 Say okay. Just say this, boy. Hello. Deshe. Hello. Say hello, Henry. Hello. How are you? No. Stop touching that. Don't worry, by tomorrow they will remove it, okay? Better do sorry, my son. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, I've seen it. Deal was it? Open na. Ombe kibo pe tabe ombe apwane. Ya kwa kuna ebe. Sorry. Don't open it to this way. Go away, yeah, and to a cock on old boo when he is a yoga. Emmanuel is saying, sorry, big boy. Emmanuel Bo. He's saying, sorry, big boy. Say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Now, he's not ready to talk. So when he's not ready to talk, whatever you say, he will just be looking at you. But when he's ready to talk, he will talk. Are you enjoying the live stream? So for just streaming, but calm down, Henry. Hello too. We are coming from. Say hello, guys. Hello, Henry. Say Henry. Oh God. Hello, Henry. On the door with the vibe. My boy with the vibe. See, growing up to book whatever and Jenga. Or this when you finish that you start crying that you're hungry. Hello. 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 Hello, guys. Say hello, Henry. Oof. Where are you going? I like your mommy to rest too. Come here. Yeah, that's my son. A wonderful child. He's a great guy. Let me know where you're watching me from, guys. Yeah. What I would do, I would book a time here where I'll try my own possible best, and then maybe I'll live stream again with my. Oh yeah, man, you know, it's it's one thing with us men. You know, no matter how we grow, we still always want to suck breast. What's that? Any query? And over now. The yaw here, I got some of them go inside. They already. Nyama column where. Guys, please, if you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And anytime you come to my live stream, you enjoy because my live streaming is always fun. And I thank God this evening my son just made everything so funny. And those of you that you were here earlier, you testified that you enjoy what he was doing. The energy was full. I don't know. So the energy was full. My son is a happy child, and now he went back to disturb his mother. For me, I just want him to sleep so that I will sleep. If you're just coming out, you'll not see him. But to everybody that engage on my posts, my live stream, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for always keeping in touch with us. I'm happy, I'm glad, and I'm excited. When you are streaming at times, it's difficult for you to find people who will come to your live stream and stay and even watch you. Look at me as I'm streaming here. Many people will come and go. Come. What happened? Va? Now see you now. Pastor. The Yosu. Hand over. Hey, Vavon. Yeah, Vavon Chugura. Pastor. Now when Pastor woke up, Aldo was giving us joy here. There's a hunger area. Now like this, can you also go now here?
Daddy,
Hmm?
Mama.
Bubble? You are bubbling, ba? Bubble? Yeah, maybe tomorrow my boy will still come on the screen to, you know, to have fun with you guys. Yeah. He's here with his mom. He's crying. If you're here watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. Hmm? Ice cream. Let us know where you're watching us from. And I'm happy to have you here. Thank you for always coming. Please do well by subscribing to this channel. You can still go to my channel and then search some other videos that you can watch, and maybe you find something interesting. And it's mostly the video of production and most of my short film. Laddie, you know, most of my short film, and I'm still working on some other short film, which with time the movie will be out in no time, and I just want to keep you people entertained with not just entertained but with good content. And if you love African story, you relate to it more, you know, because there's a kind of package we have here, and it's a good package. Yeah. So sometimes when everybody's streaming and you choose to come and stand or sit here and then watch my videos and then talk to me, I appreciate everybody that always come to my live stream to watch my streaming. So Henry appreciates you, Emmanuel appreciates you, Dan Scaman, Dan Scare Man, I appreciate you. I cook my ex, I appreciate you. Pastor, I appreciate you. Tavi Eukaria, I appreciate you. And Ezekiel, what? Lam. So I have so much. I have so many people here watching me, and thank you. And it's always good when you communicate in the comment section, and it helps us to relate with you better, to say hi, to know if you're there. What? Hmm? What is this saying, man? Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. My boy is crying, daddy. Hmm? You want to see your fans? Hmm? See, now you're crying. Fine boy, why are you crying? Eh? Your fans will see now and say, I don't want to run. Eh? They're already. Say hello, guys. Hello, guys. You're not in the mood to talk. Okay. Say hello, guys. I can see you are tired. So as you're tired, just rest. Hmm? Don't worry. By this morning, they'll go and remove that and you'll be fine. Okay? Okay? You know, He's looking around and he's looking for someone to touch. You need your toy. Let me give you one of your toy. What? I them not toy. No. Play guitar for your fans. Can you play guitar for your fans? Play guitar, play guitar, play guitar for your friends. Play guitar. Play your guitar to your friends. Play your guitar, play your guitar, play your guitar to your friends. Play your guitar, play your guitar, play your guitar to your friends. Play your guitar, play your guitar, play your guitar to your friends. Play your guitar, play your guitar to your friends. Play the guitar. Guys, please, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Play this guitar. Play this guitar to the. No, not to. Play this guitar for daddy, for mommy. Yeah, you want? I'll stop that. You're not break my school.
Boom, 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 boom.
Say thank you, guys. Alpha. Alpha. Hello. Wanda. Hey, Wanda. Play your guitar. Play your guitar. Hi, thank God you are yawning. Thank God you are yawning. Yawning. Don't come and wound yourself. Don't come and wound yourself. I don't want you to wound yourself, okay? You gotta be careful. You have to be careful so that you don't wound yourself, okay?
Do that.
Do that. On the down. On the down. On the down. Funny enough, do you know that my son has a hi? Oh. You know that my son has a YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel's name? YouTube channel where you? Hey. What's the name of your YouTube channel? What's the name? You don't remember. What? You don't remember, right? Oh. You have to use yourself. Let me get a rag and clean that up. We don't have to do it yet. Bring it. Okay, let me help you. Good boy. No muscle. Good boy. I love you. I love you, my boy. Careful. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Yes, God, yeah.
Bitonge in group here. Good evening, house. Good news. I just got an information now that the father manager has been transferred. So by tomorrow, by tomorrow, the market, by tomorrow the marketer told me that he's going to come to take us back to 33 kV. A transfer, or eh? Eh? How about that? You know, you can't make boys know they get something. So we're young boys, quiet now. So what's up? I is it Taha? So eh? Okay. Quanto de manhã longa? Oh, guys, thank you for your time. 30 minutes is wonderful time to spend with us here. And we'll come and say bye bye to your fans. Move on. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. I love you.
I love you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I love you.
Love you.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye,
I love you. Mwah. sorry, Dave, sorry. Yeah, deep people, bye bye now. Oh, yeah, baby.